Hey guys, thank you for stopping by my channel. In this video, I'm going to flip this dresser that I found from at the Goodwill for $30, and I'll include a picture of my inspiration. Okay, let's get started. Here you can see me sanding down the top of the dresser really good, and then we'll just clean it off after sanding it down. Adding these wooden dowels to the front of the dresser was probably the most tedious part. It took the longest. It took forever to do all 6 drawers, but I'm using the tight bond just to lay the wooden dowels down on the dresser. And here's the dresser after I have applied all the wooden dowels, which took me days to do. And now I'm just painting the dresser a black color. It's like a matte black with a little shine to it. And this is the dresser out after 2 coats of paint. Here you can see me just adding a little razzle dazzle to the side of the dresser just to give it a little extra cuteness. And here's the finished product. I love it so much.